Hey everybody, welcome to Living the Northern Life. Today we are replacing the oil pump on my 09 F-150. To do this, it took me, I don't know, probably about an hour and a half. It's the first time I've done it, so I'm pretty glad with how quick it happened. The biggest problem that I had while doing this was the oil collector comes up from the bottom of the pan and into this part right here on the oil pump. So you need to be extra careful that you don't drop the bolts into the oil pan. To prevent this from happening, just in case I did drop one, I put a pretty strong magnet on the oil pan because the oil pan is made of metal, so it'll hold itself. And then if and when you drop any of the bolts, the magnet will catch it and stop from going into the oil pan. Okay, so once you take off the old oil pan, you want to make sure that you line up. You can see these teeth here and here, and then here and here as well, with on your new oil pump to the old oil pump, so that it will fit onto the flat spot of the crankshaft. The oil pump that we put on is called the Melling 340 high volume. It just, from everything that we've seen from professionals and everything on YouTube and on other forums and stuff, it is the best option for the job when you're doing this, when you're trying to bulletproof these older 5.4 liter 3-valve engines. So I hope you guys enjoy, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us out a lot. Thanks.
All right, we're gonna give this a shot. How far does it need to come?
All the way around. Okay, we'll hold up. Slow down there.
Might have to take that tool off. Oh, that looks about right, Elijah.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Can you get it all the way on?
Not quite.
Okay, now it's just got to go up that key shaft like it's... No, you have it.
I know, but I pulled it all the way off, but I got to turn it up a little bit.
That's fine.
Ugh. No, I can't turn it.
Okay.
Just up, just a touch. Right there.
Too far?
No, I think that's... Yeah, just a touch too far.
Can you push down on it? You need me to push down?
Yeah, I need you to push down on it.
Okay, 1 second.
It's got to drop like...
I know.
1/4 of an inch. Try right there. No, just a touch farther. No, you didn't move it. Right there.
So is that where it needs to be now?
Just double checking.
Yeah, that looks...
Yeah, that's...
Well, I mean, it's real close, right?
That's it right there, yeah.
Okay. So now I guess you can take the oil pump out.
Yep.
Don't drop those bolts. Pull it ahead just a touch, yeah?
See, now I'm hitting this again, right?
And now you can't tilt that anymore, right? Here you go.
There
There
you
you
go.
go.
There we go.
I knew there's a way, guy.
Okay, everybody, so I'm going to, this is our new oil pump that's going to go on. So I'm going to take off the back part of this oil pump so that I can put some oil on the back of it so that when we start it, it doesn't start dry. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is just take, I got a cap of oil here and I'm just going to take it and dump some in and then rub it around. Perfect, just like that. I'll set the cap back on top. Like so. And I will start putting in these bolts again. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and replace the O-ring that goes in right here, but it's on the oil collector. Alright, so the new oil O-ring is on down here. Next up is putting the oil pump back in.
Here, I'll get your bolts for you.
I have one already.
Okay.
And that one, that top one's got to go in from the top. So I'll put the collector in first.
Yeah, the collector's got to go in first for sure.
Bingo. Okay. Alrighty, so the oil pump's in. Now I'm just going to torque them down. It is 89 inch-pounds for these bolts. There's not a whole lot of room. Especially with this water pump here. 2. And the last one. Boom. Just go around, check them again. And just like that, the new oil pump is in.
Thanks for watching Living the Northern Life. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and our website. Remember to click subscribe, click that bell notification, and give us a thumbs up for the videos you like.